Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Temu affiliate program, guys. Now this is a website just like wish.com or Shein. This is a Chinese website. You can use this website to promote coupon codes basically. And when someone buys something on the Temu website using your coupon code, you get a commission. It's literally that is easy and simple, guys. Now look, first thing, come to Google and search Temu affiliate program and just open the first link. I have it already open up here. Now, guys, what you want to do is click on Get Started, and it's gonna give you this sign up page. Okay, you either enter your email or phone number, press continue, or you can log in with Google. It's up to you guys, and then you're gonna have to fill in your other details. If you use email here or phone number, they're gonna ask you to put in your name, your contact information. They're gonna also ask you to input the specific online platforms where you intend to promote your team products, and they're going to ask you for your traffic sources, guys. How do you typically draw people into your platform? And literally, guys, it's that simple. Once you fill in all those information, you just have to wait for your approval. It usually takes like 1 to 3 business days. So while you're waiting, maybe you can go through their products. You can understand your target audience, and yeah, you can use that to create a compelling content for your page. Okay, guys. Now, some people actually they've had issues getting into the team affiliate program, like they're unable to register into the program or it's not functioning properly. This is because Temu in certain regions, Temu is not available. So you can either contact the customer support or just check the location requirements. But other than that, guys, you should get accepted. Most of the world is supported by Temu. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.